Hey guys, let's see how to have a Tapo camera working with an iPhone. In this case, I have the Tapo C211, but it works with any Tapo camera. Super simple. I have the camera here out of the box, and you see that the camera is flashing the LED red and green. It comes like this out of the box. If it doesn't work like this, if you don't see flashing, you just need to reset the camera. Just move this up, press this button here and hold until you see the LED flashing pretty quick here. And then it's going to reset, and you're gonna see the camera working with the LED like this, flashing red and green. Then you're good to go. You just need to use your cell phone, connect your cell phone to your router. As long as you have it connected to the router, it's going to work. You come here to the App Store and download the Tapo app, okay? So come here and search for Tapo, and then you look for TP-Link Tapo. You see that I have it here. Download it, install it, and you just need to create an account using an email. You create a password, then you open it up, log in with your account, and you're good to go. Already have it here. You see mine is already logged in. Then I can just come here and add a new camera. I have a lot of different cameras and Tapo devices here, but at first you're not gonna see anything here. You just come to the plus signal and add a new device. Look for the camera. In this case, it's an indoor camera, and I go down here and look for the Tapo C211. There we go. And the LED is already red and green. It's flashing there. So I just need to come here, and now it's time to look for the camera signal, okay? So here, basically, the cell phone is going to connect directly to the camera. It's not connecting to the router yet. Later, the camera is going to receive the information to connect to the router. So at first, just look for the Tapo CAN signal. You see here the instructions. Come here to your phone, to the Wi-Fi, and look for Tapo CAN something. You see here that I have the Tapo CAN. I just got the wrong one. I'm just come back here. One more time. There we go. Just come down and look for the Tapo CAN. That's the one. Wait for it to connect, and you're gonna see here in the app that finds the camera and connects directly to the cell phone, right? That's the first stage, and then you're gonna inform the camera which Wi-Fi to use and which password to use. You see it's connected now. Just wait for it to load the information about the router. There we go. You need to connect the camera to a 2.4 gigahertz network router. So just rescan here in the network. And now the cell phone is going to find your router. That's mine. So I have the signal here. I just tap on it and insert the password. I already have it here because I connected before. And now the phone is going to inform the camera which Wi-Fi to use and which password to use. So just hit next, confirm, wait for it to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, I just hear the message that the Wi-Fi is connected, and I'm gonna observe the LED here. It's going to change. Right now it's steady red, and it needs to change to green. So when it's steady green, that means that the camera is ready to go and it's working, right? So just wait for it to connect. There we go. Now you just need to name your device. I'll just name it Tapo C211. Hit next, and you see that Alexa could find the camera as well. And here just select a location. I can put here office, hit next, select an icon, next again. Wait for the camera to do the configuration. And you see the LED here is steady green now, which means it's good. And there we go, it's ready to go, sounds good. And here you can just use the 30-day trial for the cloud storage if you want to record into the cloud as well. It's not mandatory. I'm gonna dismiss this. Hit got it. And here you can just connect to the hub to record to the hub. I'm gonna do this later. Hub, it's a device that I have available here in the network. If you don't worry, you can just record into the SD card. So I'm gonna give maybe later here for the hub. And I'm gonna have the camera recording to the SD card, right? Remember that you can just come here to your camera, move this up, and insert an SD card here so you can record locally into the SD card. You don't need to use a cloud storage, okay? and the camera is going to record into the SD card, delete the old videos and record new ones, so you always have videos recording to the camera here, right? So super simple. So I have my SD card already ready to go. Let me just put the camera back there so you can see some motion. And back here, I just hit got it. Here's the firmware update. It's going to update automatically between 3 a.m. and 5 p.m. I just hit got it. And it's good to go. You see here the Tapo C211 available. I just tap on it and it's working back there, right? See, there's motion out there. There are cars. Then you can just come here and control the pan and tilt on the camera. When you tap here, it starts moving back there. There's a little bit of latency, but it works pretty fine, okay? So it's working. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C211 working with your iPhone. I hope that helps. Give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.